all, today we are going to make illusion card, magic photo changing card. These are the materials required. Let's start the craft now. We need to take black card paper in square shape as shown here. Any size you can take. You need to make half centimeter lines as shown using scale. Then you need to cut alternate ones as shown. So children, be careful. Please take parents' help to cut. So you can see it will look like this. And now place the white card paper or any white paper you have as shown inside it and just check how it will look. And now remove the paper. Next is we need to close the sides using the folded strips as shown using glue. And remember, only sides you have to close and top part you have to keep it open. Apply glue properly on the sides. Glue should not go inside, so be careful while applying glue also. So it should look like a pocket when you see. Yes, like this. And now take the white paper and using another strip of black paper, folded one, you have to apply glue on it and stick on the white paper as shown. Once it is dried, please check by keeping it inside the pocket which we have made. Yes, it's fine now. And now you can start drawing any image you like. Here I have drawn a boy and a girl. So same thing you can follow for any picture or any photo you have. Two photos you need here, two different photos, and you can do the same thing. Here I am drawing it. If you are using a photo, you have to cut it and paste over there. So yes, that's how this magic card is done. So I hope you all enjoyed it. So this is the easiest way to make this magic photo changing card, or I call it also as illusion card. So once you're done with drawing, so it's time to color. So you can color with your favorite colors. I did the same and the outcome was awesome. So you can also see once I am done with the coloring part. So yes, if you like it, please do hit the like button, and if you love it, do comment, and if you want more updates, do subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.